Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to rename a table in BigQuery. All right. So just a quick heads up, there is no option to rename a table. All right. So you might be asking, is there a workaround? Well, yes, there is. Basically, all you have to do is just copy a table or make a copy of a table and go ahead and create a table from the copied data. I'm going to show you, I'm going to open up BigQuery right here, Studio. Like so. Make sure to open up the correct project. Now open up the node and go ahead and open up the data set. For example, this table right here, imported data. Okay, go ahead and go to the top and hit on copy. Now destination, again, select the correct project, the data set, name, like so, and the table name. Okay, for example, I'm going to name the table as renamed table. Okay. Hit on copy, wait for it to load. Look at this data right here. As you can see, we now have the renamed table. You can now go ahead and delete this table if you want to, or just leave it as is. And here, as you can see, when we go ahead over to preview, this is the data. This one right here, or the imported data, preview, like so. And that's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.